What's up, guys? Jaden Lamb here. We're bringing you a new video today of these Edwards alarms just going off from Hurricane Ian. I did talk to the fire chief, and again, I'm special guest here is with Jordan.
Jordan Mason's here. What's up, guys?
And the main story of why we're doing these videos is mainly I actually see these alarms going off and just randomly just keep going without being silenced. So I do have contacts with the fire chief of Cape Coral, and hopefully possibly very soon they will have someone coming out to fix these alarms. So this is Jaden Lamb and Jordan. Bringing you live from this old abandoned education school in Cape Coral.